What is double circulation? Double circulation is the characteristic pattern of circulation in the birds and mammals. In case of birds and mammals, since the heart is completely divided into 4 chambers, oxygenated and deoxygenated blood do not mix up. These are completely separated by septa or partitions. This is the structure of human heart, how double circulation occurs. The vena cava pumps deoxygenated blood which has been collected from the tissues, all organs of the body. Deoxygenated blood is pumped into the right atrium by vena cava. From the right atrium, the deoxygenated blood is pumped into the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. From the right ventricle, the deoxygenated blood is carried away by pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. In the lungs, the deoxygenated blood becomes oxygenated. The oxygenated blood is collected and it is transported, it is carried by pulmonary veins and pump into the left atrium. So left atrium receives oxygenated blood through the pulmonary veins, but right atrium receives deoxygenated blood through the vena cava. So deoxygenated and oxygenated blood are completely separated. They do not mix up. So left atrium receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs. The left atrium receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs through the pulmonary veins. This oxygenated blood is pumped into the left ventricle. Left atrium pumps blood into left ventricle through bicuspid valve. From the left ventricle, oxygen-rich blood is pumped into the aorta. This is the aorta. And aorta distributes the oxygenated blood into all tissues and organs of the body through capillary system. The aorta does not directly deliver oxygenated blood to the tissues. The aorta breaks up into arteries and then capillaries. Through an elaborate network of capillaries, oxygenated blood is distributed to each and every cell. In the cells and tissues, the oxygen is used up during respiration for oxidation of food and carbon dioxide is produced. That carbon dioxide now diffuses back to the blood. So in the tissues, there is an exchange of gases. Oxygen diffuses into the tissues, carbon dioxide diffuses from the tissues into the blood. The blood containing carbon dioxide is collected from the tissues by the veins. All the veins combine to form the vena cava. The vena cava again pumps the blood which contains carbon dioxide and pumps into the right atrium, and the circulation occurs in the same manner. So this is called double circulation.